Your fondant worries are over. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I want to show you how to make this soft and pliable, super stretchy, all-weather fondant. Yes, this is a fondant I use in all seasons and it hasn't failed me. So let's go. So into a clean bowl, I'm going to add 2/3 cups of water. That is 1/3 cups 2 times. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of gelatin to that and allow it to bloom. What I mean by allowing it bloom is I let this mixture sit for about 3 to 5 minutes before taking it to heat it up using the double boiler method. Now with the double boiler method, what you want to do is put a pot of water, small water, on the fire, and then when it heats up, you take the mixture and put it over the heat until it completely dissolves. Then you bring it out and add your liquid glucose. Now with the liquid glucose, we are going to be adding 2/3 cups of liquid glucose to this mixture. And if you notice, I heaped it up. This cup is heaped, okay? So that's what you would want to do so that your fondant can stretch very well. Okay, so for that stretch, it is important that you heap the cup. Then after adding it, I took it back to the pot of water on the fire and then also stirred it till it was completely dissolved. So now the liquid glucose has been dissolved properly, and we've removed it from the heat. What we are going to do is add a teaspoon of any flavor of your choice. Now this is going to give your fondant a nice taste. Okay, not many people eat it, but at least for the few people that do eat it, it's going to have a nice taste to it. It wouldn't taste bland. So moving on to the icing sugar, we are going to be needing 2 kg. What I did was put about 1.5 kg in a bowl and then kept some aside for kneading later. And then I added 2 teaspoons of CMC. Now what CMC does is that it strengthens your fondant, okay? So don't skip it. So we are going to start mixing the icing sugar with the mixture that we already heated up. This mixture is still hot, guys, so we are going to do that gradually. It is important to incorporate this mixture in bits because sometimes depending on the icing sugar, some icing sugar tend to absorb more liquid than others. So it's important that you do this in bits so you wouldn't so the mixture wouldn't be more than the icing sugar and you won't have a sticky mess on your hands. So when the icing sugar and the liquid mixture have been well incorporated, we are going to move to our tabletop. Now this tabletop is very clean, okay? So we'll start kneading. It's time to flex those muscles, guys. So this is where we'll be using the rest of the icing sugar. So we'll keep kneading until all of the icing sugar is incorporated. And if you're still with me, hit the like button, okay? Drop a comment in the comment section and I will reply you. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing cake content coming your way, okay? So let's keep kneading. I'm going to be leaving a detailed measurement of all the ingredients that we used. So this fondant recipe is for 2 kg of icing sugar. I'm also going to be leaving that for 1 kg of icing sugar, so please check the description box. Okay, for the 1 kg icing sugar, it's not so much of a big deal. What you need to do is have this recipe and you will get the recipe for 1 kg of icing sugar. So our fondant is almost ready. Okay, so what we'll do is I'm going to put a little bit of shortening on my palm and knead it into the fondant. Now this is just to smoothen everything up. And there you have it, guys, our perfect fondant for all weather. As you can see, it is super soft and highly flexible. Okay, look at it, it is flexible. So to store this, we are going to wrap it up in a cling film or put it in a ziploc bag and put in an airtight container. Thank you for watching. Bye.